Hey there, it's Justin from the Book Like a Boss team, and in this video, I'm going to quickly show you what offline payments are and how they work and how you can use them. So, you might use an offline payment for just anything where you're not going to be accepting payment online. Maybe you're selling a copy or a physical copy of a book or something like that, and you want to get cash for it in person. That's just an example where you might use this. So, to set that up, go down to your booking pages here. Now, because it's a paid thing, it's going to be under products and services. Appointments, the difference between appointments and services is basically they're the same thing, except for appointments, they're free. Services are something you want to charge for. So the payment settings come in here. So just as an example, I put up here my latest book. So you're going to go in and edit that. And this is just for a test, but I put in title, description. But basically here, let's say, for example, that this is a physical product, right? So I've clicked on physical product. By default, I believe it says it'll be, I can't remember, I think at default it might be service. But in any case, let's use a physical product. And the idea is I want to get paid offline. So here, usually it's going to be an online payment by default. So just click down here under payment options, change that to offline, put in your price, hit save changes, and fill out all the other details that you might like as well for that. And then just to show you what that looks like, I'll preview the light URL. So you can see here, I've got my latest book, 10 US dollars. And then when somebody goes to quote unquote buy it, really what they're doing is just placing an order on it, and then they'll pay you in person when you meet. So if I go to buy now, I can put in, for example, my name, put in the email, and I don't have a promotional code. But if I hit buy now, it says your booking has been placed. So now I'll have that order come into my account or into your account. And then, of course, you'll know that that's been done and that when you go to meet up with the person, this item has been reserved for them and you can collect payment from them offline. I hope that helps. Let us know if you have any questions, and we'll see you in the next video.